One more very good morning to all of my viewers, friends, and before Diwali, we are preparing for Muhurat trading, the most auspicious day to start your new Sambat. So today we will not going through any index and economy and other factors that drive the market. We are focused to some top picks for the Muhurat trading or to start trade in a new Sambat. So first I will start with the Tata Group companies. I have chosen three Tata Group companies where is a valuation comfort as well as very good track record of the company. That's why first pick will be Tata Motors. It had gone down from 2015 and made a low in the year 2019 at around 85 rupees. I have recommended in my earlier shows to buy. Now it's trading around 135. I think there is still a long trade opportunities are there. Next one is tin plate, that is also a Tata Group company. They make very much useful things, very much useful household things, construction related things made of tin. It is a subsidiary of Tata Steel. And the third one is Tata Chemical. They have a lot of focus towards soda ash and sodium bicarbonate, mainly related to pharma industries and you can say other consumer product manufacturing. Main organ is soda ash for making detergent. Soda ash is a very important one. And thereafter I will looking at the Mahindra Group, Mahindra EPC Industries, which is a deep irrigation company. In my earlier shows I have discussed about the agricultural theme, so this is will be the preferred bet. And Mahindra Lifespace is the next one. It is also commercial SEZ manufacturing, sorry, SEZ construction company, special economic zone, as well as they have the real estate part. So they make the high end, also to some extent middle class real estate products. And thereafter Larsen and Toubro, I have recommended below 900. Now it is trading around 950. There are also lot of opportunities to move on. As far as people are afraid of L&T, Larsen and Toubro, because of their main business is focused into the petroleum segment and petroleum industry servicing segment. So, but I will also remind you they have L&T Infotech and also other Mindtree, the software manufacturing company. So the petroleum part has already been discounted in the price. So it is maybe a preferred pick for your Muhurat. And thereafter L&T FH means L&T Finance and Holding. They are also doing very well, but price is still beaten down because of last quarter and last but one quarter was lagging of COVID-19 and all. And thereafter Apollo Tyre. Apollo Tyre having a huge debt in the balance sheet, still I will recommend you to buy because they have taken the fund to construct different industries in the overseas segment, and their manufacturing units are on the process. They have taken money and invested. Once it will start operating, it will make a huge revenue for the company. And finally, it's uh, trading above 135, means 135 is a very critical support level for Apollo Tyre. And last but not the least, it may be penny stock to you, that is Yes Bank, because Yes Bank is under the care of the big promoters. The namely SBI, the highest investor to rescue to rescue Yes Bank. SBI is the highest investor to rescue Yes Bank. So major part of the Yes Bank promoter has become State Bank of India. Thereafter Kotak Mahindra Bank and also IDFC First Bank. They are all having a very good commanding business in banking segment. So all these promoting companies are very strong. That's why I'm recommending Yes Bank going to be the multi-bagger. Maybe these are the 9 stock I have discussed where you can trade with, invest, keeping in mind that this is equity market. Risk is associated always at every corner. So be careful before you invest, and according to risk appetite and fund availability, don't take any leverage position. Do trade only what you have. Don't be greedy. This is the most part of the market makes horrible disaster for the investors and traders. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Whatever you can, do it, but within your limit. So